This section demonstrates matrix switching operations using the OSD menu. Connect receivers RXA, RXB, RXC, and transmitters TX1, TX2, TX3, TX4 to the same gigabit LAN. The connection diagram of these devices is shown in the diagram. Power on the RXA, RXB, RXC receivers, and press SCAL lock, space on RXA and RXB to open the OSD menu. Please note that since RXA and RXB are not yet connected to TX at this time, the OSD menu will be displayed in full screen mode. In the RXA console, select to connect to TX1. After RXA connects to TX1, the OSD menu will change from full screen to a smaller size. Click the close icon in the top right corner to exit the OSD menu. Move the mouse cursor significantly to operate PC1. Press scroll lock, space on RXA console to open the OSD menu. In the RXA console, select to connect to TX2. Click the close icon in the top right corner to exit the OSD menu. Move the mouse cursor significantly to operate PC2. In the RXB console, select to connect to TX2. After RXB connects to TX2, the OSD menu will change from full screen to a smaller size. Click the close icon in the top right corner to exit the OSD menu. Move the mouse cursor significantly to operate PC2. Press SCAL lock, space on RXB console to open the OSD menu. In the RXB console, select to connect to TX3. Click the close icon in the top right corner to exit the OSD menu. Move the mouse cursor significantly to operate PC3. This section demonstrates the operation of console collaboration using the OSD menu. Push operation scenario 1, RXA pushed to RXB. The target RXB is being operated by someone. Connect RXA to TX1 and connect RXB to TX2. The RXA user clicks the seat push icon in the top right corner of the OSD menu. The RXA user pushes the content of RXA, TX1, to RXB. A prompt window will appear on the RXB screen. The RXB user clicks the OK button, and the RXB screen will switch from TX2 to TX1. The RXB user moves the mouse significantly to perform operations on PC1. Push operation scenario 2, RXB pushed to RXC. The target RXC is not being operated by anyone. Connect the RXC to the War Room screen, and first connect the mouse to access its OSD settings. Go to Settings, Advanced Settings, and uncheck the Push Request Confirmation option. Then click Save and reboot the system. Next, connect RXB to TX2. Click the Seat Push icon in the top right corner of the OSD menu. Push the content of RXB, TX2, to RXC by pressing the push icon in the RXC column. The screen of RXC will immediately switch to TX2. Click the close icon in the top right corner of the OSD menu to exit the OSD menu. Move the mouse on RXB. The RXB console will control the PC2 connected to TX2, and that will also be displayed on the War Room screen connected to RXC. Pullback operation scenario. Pull the receiver connected to RXB, TX4, back to the RXA console. Connect RXA to TX3 and RXB to TX4. The operator is currently located at the RXA console for the pullback operation. The screen of RxA will switch from TX3 to TX4 after pulling the content of RxB, TX4, back to RxA, currently TX3. The RxA user moves the mouse significantly to perform operations on PC4. This section demonstrates using keyboard hotkey on a receiver for TX source connection. Click the Settings icon. Click the Advanced button to enter its feature page. In the hotkey number 1 field, select the corresponding TX1 transmitter from the drop-down menu. In the hotkey number 2 field, select the TX2 transmitter. In the hotkey number 3 field, select the TX3 transmitter. In the hotkey number 4 field, select the TX4 transmitter. Press the Save icon, then click the OK button. Next, close the Advanced feature page. Click the Reboot button, then click the OK button. The receiver will reboot. Press the hotkeys Scroll Lock, Space to open the OSD menu. Please connect the current receiver to the transmitter, TX1, first. Click the Close icon to close the OSD menu. Press Scroll Lock, to enter to connect the receiver to the transmitter TX2. Press Scroll Lock, 3, enter to connect to the transmitter TX3. Press Scroll Lock, 4, enter to connect to the transmitter TX4. Press Scroll Lock, 1, enter to connect to the transmitter TX1.